Ready.
Okay, good evening, APL. We are going to start the presentation. Due to bad light, you can see the pitch level. It's rounding over the APL ground. So we are going to start the presentation ceremony. Unfortunately, so here with I have the APL Sports CEO, Mr. Nafis, and we are going to talk with a special person who is the key turnaround for the match. He is none other than Sadiq from the homies, and let me invite the captain also to translate. Let me invite the captain Umer also to translate. Okay, Sadiq. Okay, Sadiq. I hope that you will Sadiq. And the first question: what is your key factor to bat like this?
ප්‍රධාන ටර්නින් පොයින්ට් එක මොනවාද කියලා අහනවා. ඒක අපි පාස් කරනවා නම් කැප්ටන් තමයි මට ගොඩක්ම කිව්වේ. මේක බෝලේ කෙලින්ම දාන්න හරියට පොඩ්ඩක් ලාවට වගේ දාන්න. ඒක තමයි main problem. Yeah, so actually the captain I mean myself actually told him that to put the ball on the right space, so he actually meted the ball and talking about his batting, he just turned around after his interview after Virtusa, he has turned a completely turnaround batsman, so it actually helped us to dominate the match.
He was answering for 5 seconds, but you are answering.
That's a different score.
Okay. What is your feeling when you are batting? What do you feel about this pitch, APL?
මේ පිච් එක ගැන කොහොමද ඔයාලට බෝලේ කොහොමද ආවේ කියලා අහනවා. ඔව් මේක ඉතා අගනා පිච් එකක් අපිට පස්සුවා නම් thanks to සූති නපීස් මහත්තයා CEO මේ ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එකේ ඉන්න කෙනාට මොකද පිච් එක මාර ලස්සනට හදලා තියෙනවා. Thanking the curators, and especially the thank goes out to Nafis Nazir, who is the chairman of the APL cricket committee, and he's actually in the picture.
Thank you, Kila.
Also, let me invite CEO to produce this stick, sponsored by TVS Apache. The winning captain. Thank you.